Hello traders, what's up guys? So the message is right here. Whenever I'm here, we make money. So I gave signal on crash 500, crash 500. All right, so my first entry was somewhere here. So I opened like 2-3 positions, okay, from this level before the massive spike. I've given my guys this signal. All right, I've given them the signal. I'll give you my reasons why I gave the signal or why I'm taking this sell trade, okay, on crash 500. All right, so before I start, I would like you guys to smash the like button, subscribe to this channel, drop some good comments, share this video with friends, and also check the description box to join my free Telegram channel. Okay, the academy is up, guys. You want to learn how to do the trading to analyze the market just like I'm doing now as a pro. Just check the description to chat me up. You see my WhatsApp contact or you chat me on Telegram. Okay, so my reasons for this trade is very simple. It's very simple. I've given 2 signals already this morning to the VIP guys. I've given VIX 1s, which is running profits now, and also crash 500. Yesterday we did some amazing stuff. We took $3 to over $1,000+ crazy, right? Watch my videos, you get to know how to do this stuff, and also join the academy. All right, the academy is always open for new intake. Join the academy. I will teach you guys how to do this stuff by yourself. All right, so my reason for this trade, let's check on the 4 hours time frame. On the 4 hours time frame, obviously this is a downtrend. This is a downtrend on the 4 hours time frame. Okay, this is a downtrend on the 4 hours time frame. This is a downtrend. So wow, we just had another spike right there. We just had another spike. It wasn't that deep, wasn't that strong. All right, so we just had another spike. Now on the 4 hours time frame, please make sure you watch this video over and over to have good understanding. Always watch my video like 100 times. Like, don't just watch it once, because if you watch this video once, it might look as if you've not gotten anything. But the more you watch, the more you'll be able to do whatever I've showed you here. Okay, so yeah, on the 4 hours time frame, you want to know the structure, the market structure. You want to understand the market structure on the 4 hours time frame. Look at that. You want to understand the market structure on the 4 hours time frame. All right, then after knowing the market structure, you need to go down to a lower time frame for something else. So now on the market structure on the 4 hours says market is in a downtrend. Now I love doing this stuff. We have here lower low, all right, so we have here lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, and lower high right there. So market is slightly, if it's doing the right thing, like it should, it's supposed to come back again to do another lower low all the way down here. Okay. That's simple. So when market is going lows, creating lows like this, you're looking for a swing high. You're looking for a swing high. So when you see market is going low like this, creating lows like this, you're waiting for a swing high. Hello, that's simple. Very simple, guys. So we have here lower low. Market just broke that structure to downside, went up again, created another swing high, then come down to create a swing low. Another swing low there. Another swing low there. So after creating that swing low, went up again and created another swing low. Went up and created another swing low, guys, which is this one here. Another swing low down there. Okay, so now it should come back and create another swing low. If you are lucky enough, it should come back and create another swing low, because it just made a swing high. So when you have swing lows like this, you're looking for a swing high to sell from. If the market is going low, you're looking for the nearest swing high to sell from. That's simple. So after defining your market structure like this is very informative, guys. Don't play with this. Don't play with this video. Watch it over and over to have good understanding. So after the market just created a new swing low, it goes up again to give us a swing high, which is what we have here. This is our swing high right there. Okay, this is our swing high. Then after this swing high, okay, when market created this swing low, as it was going up here, you need to look for the next swing high to sell from, bro. The feel they look for the next swing high to sell them from. Do you understand? It makes the work very easy. You don't even have to stress yourself much. Just wait for market to get to the next swing high again for you to sell all the way down. So if you are lucky enough, this market will drop like this to this point, and if even break down, break below. Okay, so now we've identified the market structure. The next thing will be going to lower time frame, like the 1 hour time frame, to find clear entries, to find good levels, like to see the what is happening there, because it's a bit hidden. Some structures are hidden on the 4 hours time frame or even the higher time frame, like the daily. So when you move down to 1 hour time frame, it reveals more for you to know, okay, this is what the market is actually doing. Okay, so here now we see that markets just moved. Okay, this was a swing high. This swing high here is our supply zone. This is our supply zone. This is our supply zone. So we have this market pushing into above this line that created here, above this line. Some people feel that market has created a new high. That's not true. This is just a manipulation, like kind of like market just, because this is an area on your chart. Whenever market gets to a zone like this is an area on your chart. Market can decide to stop somewhere below the line, or it touches the line like what happened here, or sometimes goes a bit above the line. As long as, whoa, massive spike there. As long as it's still around this zone, this is the area where markets react. So it's still doing the same thing. As long as it has not given a very obvious breakout, all right? It has not given a very obvious breakout. That means we are still in a downtrend. It has not been invalidated. Okay, so now I saw this and I know that markets will be dropping. Then because we had some rejections here, which shows that this is a massive, a strong supply zone on this chart. Okay, now if you look to the left again, you see that market reversed here, has been reversing here for quite some time, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like so many times, guys. So many times market has been reversing there. So this is a strong zone. I keep saying this stuff, guys. This stuff is not hard. Someone told me that if market tests a particular zone for a long time, that means it will break. That zone is now weak. That's not true. I believe the more touches to that zone, on that zone, makes it even stronger, because a lot of people see that as supply or demand, and they want to take market from there. They want to buy or sell from that very zone. So when it's very obvious, a lot of people see it and they want to take advantage of that structure. Okay, but when it touches 1 or 2 times, it might break easily, because some people will not even want to go back to the left to see if that level is strong enough. They might just want to ignore or take the trade. You understand? So yeah, now you see that is a strong zone, and we are moving from the supply. Look at that. We're moving from the supply. Just move from the supply. So we've smashed TP1 already. TP1 was just where market started reversing. We smashed our TP1 already. So this morning we smashed TP1 already, and we have 2 trades running. TP1 was somewhere here, right? Yeah. So now on the 1 hour time frame, we could tell that market just moved from a key supply zone. We've seen the structures, we've seen the touches to that zone, on that zone. And now we want to see my reason for the trade. I waited for it's a candlestick. I waited for this candlestick. You see, I saw this candlestick. This is an evening star candlestick. This is an evening star, 3 candlestick formation, 1, 2, 3. the second candlestick should always point out above the first one and even the third one. Don't forget this, guys. You see what I'm telling you guys? If you join my academy, you don't even need, if you check testimonies, just 2 weeks, they are doing well. Like, they are doing amazingly well. They are killing the market already. So we have the first candlestick and we have the second candlestick and the third candlestick. The first candlestick should always point above the first and the second and the third candlestick. Okay. Now, apart from that, I also saw, because I entered somewhere here before the spike came, I entered somewhere here. Before this candlestick finished, I already had a good confirmation up here. Why? Because this is a hanky man candlestick. To me, this is a hanky man. And whenever you have a hanky man, you know, market reverses most times. So this was, to me, a hanky man candlestick. You see, the head is above, very close to the high of the candlestick. All right. Why the tail is really long. Okay, so this shows that this is a hanky man candlestick. So immediately I saw this, I opened a position. It was somewhere here. My first entry was somewhere here, and before the spike got me, all right, it spiked on me, guys. Now we're in deep profits, and we're gonna smash our TP2. We smashed our TP2. If the pressure is still strong, I'll tell my people to hold or remove their TP2 and take profit somewhere down here. All right, so you see, it's simple. You keep doing this over and over, you make money, guys. So I have so many powers. And I've not used them, most of them. I only used this one. So I only used like few of them. All right, I have so many powers. I can give to you, and you explore as well. You make so much money for yourself. You don't even need to wait for an indicator to tell you when to sell, when to buy. So if this was an indicator, let's check on the 1 minute time frame. If it was just indicator would have told me to catch spike and then jump out. Maybe one spike, which is this one here. This one here, which is this one. Maybe it will be just 1 or 2 spike. I'll be out. But look at, we are packing everything. We're leaving nothing behind, bro. We're leaving nothing, absolutely nothing behind, bro. Like, it's our right. Because I remember when I was suffering in this market was taking everything from me. I ran away from home because I talked to my dad. My dad collected loan from where he was working, and he gave me the money. 2 times I blew out everything. I ran away from home. I ran away from home. I was dying of hunger, where I was staying with about 8 boys in small apartments. If we could see Gary, if you're Nigerians, we could see Gary and drink in a day. We were blessed. That day was a blessed day. Like, that day was so blessed. All right, so it's my right if I take so much from the market today, because I've really suffered. Okay, it's my right. Nobody should question me. All right, so I want to make sure that I take so much from the market. I want to make sure that I've suffered so much. I have to take so much from the market. I want you to join me. Let's join force together. Let's work together. Let's grow together. Let's make money together. All right. We've suffered so much in this market. It has taken so much from us. We are like, people were mocking us. People were mocking me. Like, look at me today. All right. So if you want to do what I'm doing, you want to catch these spikes, you want to trade whatsoever assets, you want to trade instruments, you want to trade as a pro, join my Telegram channel. Chat me off to join the academy, Major Academy. Trust me, your life can never remain the same. Once you join my academy, just 2 weeks, you see changes for yourself, and you'll be grateful you made that move, that decision. Okay, so I think that'll be all for now, guys. Smash the like button, subscribe, share this video. Let's make money. Love you guys. Bye bye.